fired. You're
Ya acabo.
Agárrala.
No te pongo mochis.
In their tongue, he is Dovahkiin, Dragonborn.
Time to raise his game.
Yeah! Yeah! Boy!
Unable to go the distance, his rivals drop out one by one.
No! Hell no!
How to clean up a house.
This is a doggo. A small doggo is a pupper. Here's a sad pupper. But a big old pupper, that's actually a doggo. Not to be confused with a big old doggo, because that's a woofer. But if it's just a small woofer, then it's actually a doggo. And do not pet a snip-snap doggo. Sometimes a pupper is a real small pupper, and that's a yapper. But then it grows up to be a big old yapper, and that's a pupper. Now, a big old woofer is no longer a woofer, it's a floofer. If it eats a humans, then it's a grizzlord. Stay away. A floofer won't eat a humans, and a small floofer is just a woofer. Duh. There are many doggo species, like common doggo, also known as doge. Special doggo is rare and very special. Other doggos could be a wrinkler, or a corgo, or a shoob, or a long doggo, or a puggo, or a party puggo. Doggos do things. A doggo in the water is an aqua doggo. A woofer in the water is a subwoofer. Lots of bork snarl makes for a heckin' angry woofer. A doggo in a costume is bamboozled. Sometimes they're doing me a frighten. This is Trash Boy. This is doggos making puppers. This is a very fast doggo running at incredible high speed. Diagram your doggos and anything else with Lucidchart.
Nigga.
Today.
Hello, my name is Jamal. Every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute passes. Together we can stop this. Please spread the word. Thank you for your attention.
Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. It has been never since my last confession. Actually, wait, is confession a— Whoa, is that a grenade? It's a fire grenade! What are you doing? Down! Fuck! Shrapnel! Fucking hell. Everyone okay?
Hello?
How did you— How? How did you survive the shrapnel?
It's a sign of God!
You exist because we allow it, and you will end because we demand it.